Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Yeah, as you see, I've been dancing. I did not see. I've been dancing. Yeah, and I'm doing none so just this room tour. This room tour. So it's gonna be really fun. So like, subscribe to this channel. Follow on Unicorn. Follow on Unicorn. Yeah, follow Unicorn. Yeah. Let's go with the video. Let's go. So now let's start the magic. We have the magical presser. Focus. The food that I ate and pillows. Now on the bedside table, two lights. They both like to sleep at the same time. So if you didn't know, this is my now and Grandpa's bedroom. This bedroom is my Grandpa's side. My Grandpa's side. This is my Grandpa's. That right there. No, so yeah. And also on here, I have my beautiful teddy bear. I have a box of tissues, a clock. What time is it? I should. A book that my Grandpa's reading. Oh, that was that. Yeah, we have that I took out. For some reason, this is not charging. Not charging at all. So now, in here, we have a quiz family. I don't know. Oh, this is what I have. He's the best granddad in the world. That stuff, rubbish stuff that people have. And now books and a bookmark. And more books. And under here we have a roller. A random roller. If you can't see, but there's a roller. Right. What am I going to do? Right here, the magical telly. The magical. Won't be that bad. Yeah, magical telly. What is this supposed? It's no bowl, no spoon. So it's gonna be cool. On this shelf, we have this magical woman, my mum, and my nana's. I don't know. Perfume, and I don't know what that is. And outside, inside, but there's a thunderstorm in Florida. Tissues, books, and in the bathroom. Fell off. Oopsies. In the bathroom. Yeah, some stuff. Got this stick. Got these some animals to put in the man carry. Hey. Right,
color combination. Blue, purple, pink, and a little bit of red, but don't have to know about that.
Let me just have it.
What would you do if the red took over? That wouldn't happen because I had such a little amount. Alright, 3, 2, 1, squeeze! That was a good squeeze. Ew! Oh, stop! How's the bottle? Alright, so that is finished. Your turn. Now it's time for my second last bit. Not third last, but second last. Ha ha ha. Can we open the door?
Oopsies.
You already got activator. Okay. Wait, what if I use the cup? Okay, I use the cup. And I pour. You see? Smart.
There we go. There we go. It's kind of fixed.
Okay,
It's kind of fixed.
no.
Can't barely see the button.
I'm gonna get next
I'm not ready to close it. The one and only closet that I can't not open. There's some closing now. Yeah.
I'm gonna put in this.
No, I don't know. The curtains and wires. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. So I hope you guys smash that button, subscribe, and comment to me what I do for the next video. I do not know what to do for the next video. So I think it's gonna be good.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
I just
good.
added that. That's not the left pink. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more pink because everyone loves pink. It's hot pink. I'm gonna add some more blue. I'm also gonna add some of this.